Yo, what's up, guys? So in this video, we're going to talk about the political t-shirts that are crushing it on Amazon right now.
Now, will you shut up, man? Now, something like this is something that Joe Biden said to Donald Trump during the debate, right? But this right here is this shirt it's crushing it. It's killing it. It's doing really, really, really good. But will you shut up, man? It's trademarked now. Okay? Stuff like that, it's big, but then you got to be careful. This is one of the things when it comes to the political niche. Any of this stuff right here, it's like it's going to be hot for 6 weeks, 8 weeks, whatever it is, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and then it's the downtrend. It's gonna eventually stop selling as much. But of course, like if you get into something hot right now, it's a big bonus for the month of November, right? And it'll make you money this whole month, right? So extra. I've seen people doing in my private group personally. They're doing $2,000, $3,000 a day just with merch by Amazon. Now, what I did right here was highlight "Will you shut up, man?" Come over here and then search USPTO. Okay, and it popped up here. So this trademark is live. So you have to be careful. Will you shut up, man? Okay, 25, right? Number 25 for clothing. You just have to be very careful. That's trademarked. So when you're doing stuff like this, you're gonna see like stuff trademarks get approved really fast. All right. So next one, Biden Harris 2020. The glasses, the American flag. This one is doing really well. You can see look at it's crushing it. BSR ranking. You can just see just the damage it's doing. It's doing some numbers over here. This bad boy, right? Yeah, 10K BSR. So there's some people doing some damage over here. Now just so Biden Harris 20. You can see this one's crushing it too. BSR 5K. And then you can see kind of like the retro style here. This one's doing really well too as well. Look at that, it's crushing it. Some crazy numbers. When it was first available, August 10, 2020. So you obviously can tell they got ahead of it and were one of the front runners up there. And then when people started talking about it, it started going more crazy and started making more money. Now, a recent one that as of today, November 10th, right, as I'm making this video, this is Make America Rake Again. Within the last 12 hours, this one right here, it started doing some, you can see this one, Law and Order, Make America Rake Again. Let me show you. Okay, this one was posted 2 days ago, right? Listed 2 days ago. 39K BSR. All right, it's crazy. Look, you can see when it started selling 3 o'clock in the morning. Now it's making consistent sales. See stuff like this. If you get ahead of it, right? Only 174 results as I'm making this video. And if you can get ahead of some of these trends, you can make some serious money, right? But you have to it's going to take some practice, right? As you're researching and going into the Amazon platform and doing research, it takes, you know what I mean? It takes practice to figure out, okay, what niches are going to do. What niches do you think are going to do good, and to get ahead of them before everyone else gets in there, right? And that's pretty much like when it comes to tracing trends and the political stuff. You have to be on the lookout, watching the news and watching what they say when it comes to Trump and Biden. When they say stuff, you got to watch all this stuff, because then it'll start taking, like, some of the stuff will start. Next thing you know, you'll be making sales the next hour and you'll be crushing it, right? And also too, there is designs that are for, like, against the president, against one president. So basically there's designs that are like not for the president, right? So not for Trump, not for Biden, right? And those are those type of designs too as well. So Donald Trump, right? This sweater right here, you can see this one is doing really well too as well. The first date uploaded was January 9th, 2020, this year. But you can just see that, you know, it started going up, and all of a sudden the BSR just starts selling consistently. Now it's just probably doing 3, 4, 5, 6 a day, right? Of course, you got to make sure you're not on any type of trademarks or anything like that. So you want to be very careful. Just blown away by these results of like the opportunity here that you can just crush it with this. Now this one is obviously it's not a merch shirt, right? $15.95 free shipping. They're printing the shirt themselves, or they have us third-party print provider. This one has a ton of reviews. It's doing really well. You can see 2018, and now it's just like, getting ahead of the trend and just crushing it. Amazing. Now, this next one, some socks, right? I just want to show you this because you don't have to do merch by Amazon products, right? There's opportunity everywhere, and just thinking outside the box, doing socks. you can that's a shirt right there, isn't it? Right. There's some stuff, some damage you can do over here too as well, and these bad boys are flying off the shelf, so there's an opportunity there. President socks, right? That's an opportunity right there. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys check out my other videos here.